Hi everyone, this is Raman and in this video I will guide you regarding how you can set up Metapixel on your landing page on a GoHighLevel. So as you know, Metapixel is very important. For example, if you are running ads for your business or for a client, let's say you want to track conversions, appointments or calls or leads for example. So Metapixel is very important and it helps you to track optimize your ads correctly. So let's say you are running ads on Facebook and you want to track leads, you want to track how much you are spending to get leads, let's say cost per conversion, as well as you want to run remarketing campaigns, remarketing ads to those people who went to your website landing page but didn't book a call. So you can retarget them again with the help of Metapixel. So it is very important, and in this video I will guide you regarding step by step how you can set up Metapixel suite. So let me share my screen and I will be guiding you step by step. So as you can see, this is my screen, and so first you have to go to your ads count, and from here just click events manager in a new tab. So you are here on the events manager. So here you can see I don't have a pixel. So in this video I will guide you how you can create it step by step, a new pixel. So click on connect data, click on web, then click next, and now write a name of your pixel. I'm typing scale up ads. You can rename it as anything you want to. So it's showing you setup conversion API gateway with Magic CX. So you don't have to go with it. So we will be setting up pixel manually because on GHL it doesn't give us option to connect the pixel with conversion API or any with partner integration. So here we will go with step setup manually. Click next, and now I'm clicking on Metapixel only because on GoHighLevel you can't connect it with conversion API, or if you can, but it is a long procedure and you don't need to do that. So now you can see the code. Just copy the code and go to your GoHighLevel funnel or the website. Now go to settings, and here you can see the head tracking code. Just paste the code here and now save it. Done now. Our pixel is connected now. So now let me open the let's test the pixel. So here continue, turn on auto advanced track matching, done, and now our pixel is set up. Let's test our pixel if it is connected correctly or not. Skip for now. Now go to test events. Make sure you have Metapixel helper extension installed on your Chrome browser. Now I'm pasting my website link, the landing page link here. Now you can see pixel is connected, and now we will be testing it if it is tracking the leads or not. So I open the website, it's showing page view. Now I'm entering, like I will explore the page. Now let's say let's submit the details. Here you can enter an email, city, and now let's submit. Here you can see it's tracking submit a mail application, and on the event pixel helper on the events manager it is also tracking the submit application. So yes, our pixel is connected correctly. So this is how you can connect Metapixel with your GoHighLevel landing page or website. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Facebook ads, digital marketing related content. Thank you.